Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Kernel Security Check failure blue screen error you're coming across on your Windows computer. So this could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time, type in Device Manager. Best match should come back with Device Manager here. Go ahead and left click on that. Now you want to expand the network adapter section, so you double click on it or left click on the little arrow next to it to expand the drop down. Select Uninstall Device. Select Uninstall. And you want to also expand display adapters here. Right under here, you want to right click on whatever the display adapter is. Select Uninstall Device. Select Uninstall. Which will just restart your computer at this point and see if that has resolved the problem. It should automatically re-download the network driver as well as the display driver once you restart your computer. Okay, so once we are back on our desktop, we want to go open up the Start menu. So just go ahead and left click on the Start button one time. Type in CMD. Best match should come back with Command Prompt. You want to right click on that and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on Yes. Now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in SFC followed by a space / scan now. Scan now should be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to run this command. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, we're just closing out of here, restore your computer, and that should be about it. So, I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.